Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will show you how to change display size on your XIAOMI 15T. So open settings and let's scroll down to additional settings. Then you have to enter accessibility section, and at the top you see 4 sections. You have to go to vision, and let's go to display size under display tab. So here, as you can see, you can set 3 different sizes. I have my medium size, which is set by default, but you can switch to smaller one or to larger. So it's completely up to you. Decide which one works out for you the best. And when you're done, tap this icon in the top right corner to submit your display size. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.